Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify payment processing in WordPress with WPForms step by step clearly. To verify payment processing in WordPress with WPForms, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WPForms section in the sidebar. Click on the All Forms option to view your existing forms. Select the form you wish to verify for payment processing. In the Form Builder, click on the Settings tab. From the Settings menu, choose Payments. Ensure that your payment gateway is properly integrated. If you're using PayPal, click on the PayPal option to access the configuration settings. Enter your PayPal merchant email address and any necessary API credentials. For Stripe, click on the Stripe option and connect your Stripe account. Ensure that you have enabled the payment processing option within your form settings. Next, navigate to the Fields tab if you need to add payment fields. Drag and drop the payment field into your form layout. Configure the payment field settings according to your requirements. You can set prices, options, and any conditional logic if needed. Once you set up your payment fields, return to the Settings tab. Click on Confirmation to customize what users see after payment. Ensure that you have selected the correct confirmation type, either a message or redirect. Then, click on the Email Notifications option to set up email confirmations. Verify that emails are sent to both you and the user upon successful submission. Save your form settings to ensure all changes are applied. To test your payment processing, navigate to your WordPress site. Locate the page displaying your form and submit a test entry. Make a test payment using the provided options in the form. Check your PayPal or Stripe account to confirm that the transaction went through. Return to your forms entries in WPForms to ensure that the submission appears. Review the submitted entry details to check for accuracy and completeness. If everything looks good, your payment processing setup is now verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.